everyone. I hope you are doing well. This is me, Tar Rahman, and we all know that today is speech day, and I am here to present my speech on time management. Before heading to my topic, I would like to pay thanks to my sir to give me opportunity to present my speech in front of you people. So, time management is life management. This is one of the favorite quotes which describe me the real meaning of time and life. Time management can consider one of the pillars of being success. In addition, it teaches you how to make most of your time valuable and increase your productivity and efficiency. Time management is a process of planning your time between more or less important activities. Time is a limited resource to anyone, but more expensive. You cannot buy it or extend it. Here is saying that time and tide wait for none. It means that time is running, it doesn't wait for you. So once you lose your time, you can never regain it. You will lose it forever. You should always develop a habit of doing everything in a right time. People who give great value to time, they become successful in their life. And those who miss this good opportunity of time, they will never success in their life. It is also rightly said that time is most precious than money. Because money once lost, you can regain or regenerate it. But once you lost your time, you can never regain or generate it. You lost it forever. Nowadays, time management is need to each and a person. It could be a student, it could be a teacher, businessman, or anyone else. But time management is important to every person. Each day we have just 24 hours to perform our activities, but it depends upon us how we utilize our 24 hours of the day. If you are not managing your time, then you are wasting your time. And now I am going to wind up my speech with this quote: "You will never find time for anything, but you must make it." Thank you.